This is the first video of 20 on a complete series of courses on how to get jobs and contracts at the United Nations, the IMF, and other high-profile organizations. This course has been on Udemy for 7 years. It had a rating of 4.89 at one point. Now it was down to 4.7, which is still amazing on Udemy. I had tens of thousands of students. Guys, I took this course out because I wanted to offer it to you on YouTube. It was always free. Now it's free, but I'm going to add even more stuff to it. Okay, it's going to take a long time, but at the end, you're going to be an absolute expert on the United Nations, all their systems, what they're looking for, where to apply, what are the secret ways you can get a job at the UN. We're going to cover everything. We're going to find jobs together. We're going to analyze those positions. We're going to basically tell you exactly how to fill the survey so that you're shortlisted, because if you're not, then you're not going to be tested. Now, once you're called for a test, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about how to succeed the test, then succeed the interview. Then I'm going to talk to you about when you get a job, what's going to happen. We're going to cover all this. When you're done, you're going to know so much about the UN that you will be able to get a job at the UN, or at the very least a contract. Guys, come with me on that journey. We're starting right now in this video with why you should get a job at the UN. We're going to cover all the benefit right now, because you need to know what you're getting into before you starting applying and spend time to learn about it and follow these courses. Guys, all the courses are detailed in the description below. So subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the other uploads. I'm going to release one per day for the next 20 days. And if you're watching this while they are all up and online, guys, just basically binge watch them. Take note, learn everything you need to know. Now let's go with why you should work at the UN, the IMF, and other organizations like that. First, it's among the most competitive salary in the public sector. Basically, the G staff, which we can cover, and I'm going to explain to you every level, every terminology, don't worry. Basically, the local staff, the general service staff, it was established based on New York salaries. So you're going to have a tremendously high salary, even locals. Locally, even in countries like, for example, Jordan or Lebanon, your salary will be higher, about twice as high minimum than what you would get normally in a job elsewhere, plus all the benefit. And we're going to talk about that. And if you're applying as a professional, well, your salaries are going to be more than $100,000 plus all the benefits. Sometimes it goes to $200,000. So this is absolutely amazing. If you're an international staff for the United Nations, so you're a Canadian working, for example, in Europe, you're going to have education grant for your kids. They will pay 75% of the education of your kid, or 100% if you have special needs with your kid, up to $30,000, which is absolutely amazing. Then you're going to have access to advanced medical coverage. Sometimes it's going to be either they're going to pay for your insurance in your country, like in the United States, for example, and you're going to have a copay of $15 when you go see the doctor, or they're going to pay 80% of any medical care bill that you have, and they're going to make sure you have the best doctors. Then you're going to have Dependency Allowance. This is basically if you're married, it's going to cover for the salary of your husband or your wife. It's going to give you money for your kids, so to make sure that you have a better life, so that if they cannot work, for example, that you have extra money to make sure to feed them and have, no burden extra when you live with them in a country that they can't work or participate in revenue to their family. Paid home leave. Every 2 years, they're going to give you plane ticket for your entire family so they can return home. And then you're going to have also holidays paid, and you're going to be able to go back to your home every time. When you're going to go to your home, you're going to also be allowed to bring back luggage. They're going to pay extra for that as well. Or if you want to ship goods, no problem. That's going to be covered by most organizations. Rental subsidy and other hardship allowances. So essentially, they will pay up to about 60% of your rent, no matter where you live on earth. So if you have a rent of $5,000 a month, they will pay $3,000, and you'll be able to live in absolute awesome places. This is absolutely amazing. Diplomatic status and tax-free. Now, it depends on the level you are at the United Nations. Some will have taxes all the time free. Others will have the import of their household good and their car initially, and some other benefit. But this is very, very good. You'll feel very secure with diplomatic immunity in other countries. Also, you will have diplomatic ID. It's either a card that you're going to carry with you or it's going to be inside your passport, which indicate that you're a diplomat. This is issued by the country you're going to work in. So if you have any issues, you're stopped by police, or you want to stay in the country, then you'll be able to stay for as long as you have your post. This is very good. You're also going to have the United Nations passport, which is the UNLP, UN Laissez-Passer. You'll be able to use this to travel. Unofficial business, of course, but that really is a powerful thing to have. It's a very stable job. It's a prestigious job as well. And it has an amazing pension system that you'll be able to get about 70% of your last few years of salary when you're retired. This is amazing. Or you can get a lump sum, which is about $1 million when you're retired, which is amazing. Not many companies offer this these days. The UN does. So this is the reason why you want to follow these courses. This is why you want to stay with me for the next 20 courses. Now, they're all detailed. They're in the description below. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Give me the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the first video.